Hi everybody, today is June the 2nd, 2022. This is Condor Cross, situated at the Colca Canyon here in southern Peru. It is located a few hours from the southern city of Arequipa. I arrived in Arequipa yesterday morning. I took the bus from Cusco to Arequipa. It took 11 hours and it was freezing cold on the bus. Anyway, let's talk more about this canyon. It is 4,160 meters deep, making it the world's second deepest canyon. The world's deepest canyon is situated in China. However, this canyon is a lot deeper than the Grand Canyon in America. Because I'm on a one-day tour, Condor Cross is the furthest point I'm going to visit. But you can actually go further. Some people choose to go on a 3 days, 2 nights tour, and they can actually see many birds and the condor somewhere else in the canyon. But unfortunately for me, I haven't seen any condors here. Oh no, there is a condor. Wait a minute. There it is. Can you see it? Oh, maybe you saw it. Okay, let me talk about my itinerary. Because I read on the internet that the bus is freezing cold when you go to Bolivia. That's the reason why I didn't go to Bolivia this way. You see, if I went from Cusco to Bolivia, I would go to Puno and then on to La Paz and then to Uyuni. I think it's pronounced Ushuni in Spanish. But okay, now that I'm in Arequipa, I will go to Chile tomorrow, to Arica and then to Calama. But from Calama, I can also go to Uyuni.
Remember that this fruit you will try is really volcanoes, mountains were considered as a god. They worship these volcanoes, is the Apus. So in that moment,
and the second highest